Hey tubers, it's Wednesday, about 1:30. We're about 80 in here. It's breezy outside, but it's clear and sunny. So, got the trunk seal in. So I got to pull it back out and glue it in. I just test fitted it and then trimmed it, so it's in. We got the sealer that they recommend, or the weather stripping adhesive. I also got the yellow, but is that in the mail today? We got the resistors as they show the wire in, so that's what we're going to work on now and get this in and see what happens. When I get more, I'll turn it back on later. Hey tubers, battery went dead yesterday, so we'll pick this up. I got both the resistors installed, and here's the one for the driver's side, and turn signals work. I didn't have to put all 6 of them in, but I had to take the battery out to get this one in, so we'll put the battery back in, and when I get everything all hooked back up, I'll show you the turn signals work. More in a minute. Alright, the battery's in. I'm going to have to hang this cable here, so we'll fold down the rear seat and do it from the back. But let's see. The dash indicators work, and the fronts work. So that little project's done. And the dash indicator works. So turn the ignition off. So next we'll put black sealant in, and we'll do the trunk seal. Like I said, I had it in, test fit it, and now we know how it goes in. We'll put it in the rest of the way and let the adhesive set up. I got the, what is it? 3M. And then I also got the yellow. The yellow is what I'm used to. But that's it for now. When I get more, I'll turn it back on later. Trunk seal's in. Yes, sir. So, let's see. I guess we'll tie up the cable under there and start going around this thing. Alright. More in a minute. Alright, got the power cable going to the fuel inject, or to the ECM, tied up with some clamps. So that's done. Got a hole there we gotta take care of, so ended up getting a kit. With assorted plugs. So let's take a look and start plugging a couple of these up. And yeah, got the rear seat folded down. So yeah, there's one there. So we'll bring the kit in and figure out which one we need and then take care of it. There's a few in the front. And then we're going to turn this thing, take it out, turn this thing around. And so we can do these. So when I get more, I'll turn it back on later. Well, I took it around the block. We just got back and it's backed in now. Sunday, if everything goes right, we're going to recalibrate the speedometer, and I'll bring you guys along for that one. I had to set the tripod up in the back seat and stuff and tie it down. But I need my wife to help me, and we got to run a 2-mile course. So this will be it for today. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. And you guys have a good one. Later.